Good afternoon, guys. So today is Wednesday. As you can see, I'm kind of all dressed up. I'm going to a conference today. So there's this conference called the Jumpstart conference here in Hong Kong, and it's for like entrepreneurs and startups. And you guys know it's like right up my alley. And it's like in collaboration with Alibaba and all these awesome companies here. And they have like really amazing speakers and stuff. So I'm going to that today. It's a 2-day conference, so I'm gonna see how it is. I'm just excited to learn. I think it'll be cool just to learn more, obviously, about like the Asian market. Like, I haven't been here that long. I don't know that much about, you know, entrepreneurships and having a startup here. So I think it'll be really cool just to like learn a lot. Yeah, I'm walking there now, and I'm gonna take you guys along. So hopefully I can film. I should be able to, at least to show you guys. It's at the Hong Kong Convention Center.
Conference organized by Alibaba Hong Kong Entrepreneurs Fund. I'm Akita Fong, your master of the ceremony today. 大家非常之熟悉嘅就係 Jumpstart 啦，唔經唔覺已經嚟到第2屆嘅咯喎。嗱，其實咧呢個活動亦都係由香港政府投資推廣署。
Also, what we think is unique about Hong Kong is how international the startup community is in this great city, reflecting the very international nature of Hong Kong. So more than a third of startups have got international co-founders from all around the world, from the UK, the US, mainland, France and so forth. So it's really very exciting. And we think that mix of international knowledge with local knowledge and expertise gives startups in Hong Kong an edge when they're looking to expand on a global scale.
Electricity have today. So computing not necessarily have to be in a box or PC. It could be anywhere you can imagine. So at that time, I would like to have a company called General Computing. But thinking about 10 years ago, if we start
賺錢係 successful 咧，肯定話你聽咧，做電視係唔會賺錢嘅。
Lawrence, it's show time.
Asia is really the big conclusion, and it's really what you can see in the green bars over here, roughly the period 2030.
Hey guys, so I just left day 1 of the conference. Like, wow. I'm so inspired. Like, it was so inspiring. Like, people were like 13, 14, started like companies like that are profitable, and like it just like blows your mind at like what's possible if you just like go for it. So I don't know, I'm just feeling like really motivated and rejuvenated, and like, you know, you just have to go for it. Like, there's nothing stopping me from like executing my ideas and making my company successful, and it's just like, wow, I really needed that, you know? So I feel like this is the year where like I finally have to like put in the work, and like I talked about doing all these things, and like now I have to like do it, and I'm just so ready, if that makes sense. Like, so ready to kill. I feel like Serenity. I was like walking around, like it was so cool. I hope you guys enjoyed following me around. That was day 1. Yeah, we'll be back again tomorrow. See what else I have.